Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather and today we got the OhSnap MagSafe compatible Snap Grip wallet with us. So we are going to have a quick review of this MagSafe wallet. We will talk about its design, features, specs, all of its pros and cons while performing a quick unboxing as well. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box here. We got the OhSnap branding. Name of the product, Snap Grip wallet. It is MagSafe compatible. Here we got the image of the product along with all of these cards coming out of it. It is ultra thin, and here we got some of the information that it is compatible with iPhone 12 and newer. It comes with MagSafe compatibility. It is durable, it is ultra slim, and it comes with RFID blocking feature. The color variant we got is carbon fiber, but it comes in multiple colors. So depending on your preference, you can go with any of them. But the one I got here is the carbon fiber. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here is our Snap Grip wallet. We got this QR code for registration and that's all we got here. So here you can see it is quite slim. It's just 7.8 mm in thickness in this state, but if you put all of the cards up to 8 cards, it can accommodate for the non-lettered card, or up to 5 cards for the lettered card, and if you use the combination of them, then up to 6 cards. Once you put the maximum capacity of the cards, then the thickness will be 12.7 mm, still pretty slim. The carbon fiber feel is so nice. It is made with premium quality material and it is looking quite beautiful and premium for sure. Here we got this hollow empty spot and this part pops out. So let me show you how we are going to use it. Here is my iPhone with MagSafe compatibility. So it's sticking perfectly and the magnet is strong enough, so you don't need to worry about this Snap Grip wallet falling out of the body of your iPhone and losing all of your cards. Pretty strong. And this part is magnetic as well. So it's not only this part that is magnetic and attaching to your smartphone. This outer layer is also magnetic, so if you want to connect it with a MagSafe stand or any of the metal surface, you can do that as well. For example, here I got a MagSafe compatible charger. I'm not going to use to charge it because it won't charge, but you can still connect it, as you can see here. So that's quite nice for sure. The magnet is so strong that this wallet itself popped out while removing the power bank. Here we got the support for the finger and you can use it in multiple ways. For example, you can use it with 2 fingers like this, so it's easier to use your smartphone this way with the support of this ring we got here. So you won't drop your smartphone while taking selfies or just using it with one hand like this, because the grip is really good, as you can see. Then another method is moving your finger through this space here. So you can use just one finger like this, and then you can have a better grip to your smartphone. As you can see, it's not falling out of my hand. It's really good, stable, powerful grip here we got. And then you can also use it as a kickstand at different angles. As you can see, it is rotating, so I can just take it out, move it like this, and then it will convert into a kickstand, as you can see here. So this is quite nice that this ring you can use for multiple purposes. 2 ways of holding the device with 2 fingers, 1 finger, and then as a kickstand. And once you're done with that, all you have to do just press it back and it will go inside. So I have added 4 cards here. 2 of them are lettered, 2 of them are non-lettered, and once you are good to go, you can just put it back on your smartphone. All of those cards will be inside, and if you want to use any of them, all you have to do is just take it out, then using this space, and then you can just slide them out like this and take out any of these cards from this wallet here. And once you're done with them, just slide them back and we are good to go. So this is how you can use your OhSnap Grip wallet with any of your MagSafe compatible smartphone for carrying your cards, as it comes with RFID blocking, so you don't need to worry about the safety of your cards as well. So if you're planning to buy a card wallet for your MagSafe compatible smartphone, then the OhSnap Grip wallet is one of the best options for you, as it comes with premium build quality. It can store up to 8 cards. It's quite slim. It comes with RFID blocking technology. We got this ring here that you can use as a grip as well in 2 different ways, and you can even use it as a kickstand. If you're planning to buy one, then I have shared the link in the description of this video, using which you can buy the OhSnap Snap Grip wallet. And if you enjoyed watching this video, if you found it useful, then do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads, share this video with your friends, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.